We're doing it! We're doing it!
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I received a message from Dan, who's the owner of Fairings-ETC. They make several different products for the RV aircraft industry. One of which is fairings for the tail area here, as well as the wheel pants. One of their new products that they came out with is a new tail wheel. He messaged me, asked me if I'd be interested in the wheel. I said, of course. He gave me a little discount for it. In return, I said I would do a video as well as give it an honest review. So it arrived in the mail, and this is what it looks like. It comes in several different colors. I chose red because I thought it would look really good with the RV8. So Dan, thanks for sending this to me. The quality looks very good. I have the other lightweight wheel on the aircraft, been very happy with it. The RVs themselves tend to ride a little rough in the back anyways because the wheels are small. There's another company that makes a inflatable tire. It's bigger. I don't like the looks of it. So I will sacrifice a little bit of the ride during taxi for better looks. And this looks to be really nice. The machined aluminum, it's anodized, bearings inserted already with spacers. So we're going to install this, and I will do another video on the ride quality. But yeah, let's get it installed and see how it looks on the plane. So I'll leave a description to the website down in you can see the difference. The wheel itself has a little larger diameter on the Fairings-ETC versus the Flyboy's lightweight wheel. The diameter seems to be exactly the same of the tire itself. I don't know what type of materials these are. This looks to be more of a rubberized material compared to the lightweight, but the hub is definitely smaller on the Fairings-ETC, but take a look and see how these spacers fit. So the hub is definitely narrower. It's maybe a couple millimeters outside of the edge with this hub here compared to the Flyboys Lightweight. So it's quite a bit more. So the spacers that Flyboys had is definitely too narrow. Maybe we can use some washers. Let's take a look. Okay, so grab some AN 960s, 616s. We'll see if we can do some washers and the original spacers. There is a spacer in the center of the wheel that has to be lined up. All right, so it looks like 2 9/16 is going to be too much. Excuse me, the 960 washers. So maybe I can do, those are the normal thickness. I think what I'll try is one normal and one -L, which is the thinner washer. So I have a thinner washer. We'll put that on. We'll see if that's going to be enough or not enough. So these are the washers that have been cut out of a stock aluminum tube, apparently, or probably machined from Flyboys Accessories for the correct width. I could probably get this from McMaster Car. I'll just have to spec out the size, inner, outer diameter, and then I could cut the thickness to be appropriate. So let me see if I can get in here for you. So this is the gap between here and this side here between the wheel. Let me see if I can show that to you while I'm trying to install here. So because this hub is more narrow here, that's the issue. So there's the other. It's always a challenge to get washers. I do have the washer wrenches. So that's a AN 960-616 washer, standard with the standard width. This is a -L, which is narrower. So on this side I did one normal, one narrow washer, the spacer from Flyboys over here, and we'll see if I can get these two up in here. It's a little tight. Let's see. There. Boom. That's all it took. 2 washers on each side, plus the spacer keeps it centered nicely. 1 washer on the outside. Washer there. And then see where the don't want to make it too tight so it squeezes on the bearing, but let me grab my open end wrenches. Okay. A couple 5/8 inch. Let's see, where's the holes? Right there. Okay. That looks awesome. Like the color, Dan, looks really good. Can't wait to fly with it. I'll do another video once it warms up a little bit, because I'm a fair weather flyer. I didn't have any problem with the lightweight wheel. It works really well for me. It's in great shape here. I'll probably keep it as a backup if I have any issues. I do like the red. Looks awesome. The quality machining looks very good. The tire material, I don't know how it's going to ride compared to this wheel. This one is pretty rough. I mean, it's well known. I mean, there's no air in here. It's just a solid rubber. So as you're going down the taxiway, you feel every vibration. Taxis are pretty short. Once they're taken off and landing, the wheels off the ground. I don't know how this one's going to ride. It feels about the same durometer as far as the hardness of the wheel. So it's a little narrower. This wheel diameter is larger, so the tire itself is narrower. So we'll try it out. We'll give it a go. Again, Dan sent this to me, a little discount on the price, which is very nice. Thank you, Dan, but I did pay for it. So the quality looks very good. So I'm sure it's going to be really nice. It's going to get a lot of looks with the color and questions. So I will leave the link to Dan's website in the description below. And look for a future video here, hopefully not too far out. It's been pretty cold here in the Chicagoland area. And I'll do a quick update video, maybe a short or something on the characteristics of her riding. But my only issue would be that the spacers that Dan provided, they're a little thinner. Not that that makes a whole lot of difference as far as the thickness of the sidewall, but it wasn't wide enough. So these are a little narrower, probably. Oh, I mean, if I was eyeballing it, I would say 5 millimeters or so, maybe a little less. Narrower than the ones that came with the Flyboy, the lightweight wheel. So I used the Flyboy one. So these ones were way too narrow. So I used the original ones plus 4 washers, 2 normal thickness and 2 thin washers, along with the spacers to get the proper spacing between the bell tailwheel fork. So that'd be my only thing, is that washer needs, or that spacer he could provide would be thick enough to fill that space. But that's not a big deal. I had washers on hand, so they will work as a spacer. So we'll try it out. We'll do another video, a shorts, hopefully here not too long. Again, thanks for watching the videos. Haven't had too many lately. Been very busy here with home life. We've got a new grandbaby, so now I got 2 grandsons. So we've been out in Casper, Wyoming, visiting them. And then the job at United's been keeping me busy. But we hope to get back to flying a lot more. We'll make more videos. So again, thanks for watching. If you like the videos, hit the like, hit the subscribe. So I'll put the link down for this wheel. And again, Dan, thanks a lot. I know he's coming out with new products. Matter of fact, he sent me a picture of, I believe it was for the RV8, empennage fairing made out of carbon fiber. So that's going to be pretty nice for those of you that are needing that fairing. Looks like it's going to be one big one piece, very similar to what I made out of fiberglass compared to the stock Vans one. So check his website out, order these wheels. I know he does several colors. I saw blue, I think black, silver, and maybe some more colors, and he may be able to do some custom ones. So, all right, thanks a lot for watching. Dan, thanks for sending that to me, and can't wait to fly with this thing on here. All right, guys, we'll see you soon.